So, little tip for you here in SolidWorks: if you have a scan file like I have here, this is a tooth, but I'm putting a tab on the side. With all these triangles shown, it can be quite slow. So if you go to your display style and pick just shaded, that'll help speed it up. And then also, if you hide the bodies over here, you can see how it's taking a long time. I right clicked, and it's still thinking. When you hide those bodies and you need to do something, it'll be a lot faster with them not shown. So I have them hidden, but you can still pick them from here. So that's a couple of tips to help speed up the processing on a scan file with a lot of triangles like this.